guys, Kreep here again, and I am back with look number something. I'm gluing my eyebrows down, and then I'm going to go ahead and put white body paint all over my face with a flat brush. And then you want to blend this out with a beauty blender, and you want to set it with some face loose powder. Okay, now on my brows, I'm going to take that Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'm going to take the color orange, and I'm just going to trace a little bit above my brows, and I'm just going to follow the brow shape, and then I'm moving on to my eyes. For one eye, I'm going to use the color Zola from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to put that all over my eye. This doesn't have to be clean or anything. This is the Mad Hatter, so it can be messy. And then the next color I'm going to put is Bori, and that's going to be a nice pink color, and that's still from the same palette. All the colors that I'm going to use will be from this palette. And then over that pink, I'm going to use the color Makeda, and I'm going to just put that in my inner corners and also at the bottom of my eye. Then I'm going to use a darker blue called Dahlia from the same palette for my blue eye, and I'm just going to keep on blending all that out. So I'm going to use Ipsy VIP on my lips, and then I'm going to use pink liquid eyeliner to add at the bottom of my eyes, and then you are done with this look. Just add some blush and get ready.
Hello. Hi guys, welcome again back for another look. Today I did Mad Hatter, and this hat was specially made by my best friend Koko. I will link her information down below, and as well as the satchel. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys tomorrow for yet another tutorial, and I hope you guys are enjoying 13 Days of Kreep. Bye!